Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna take the Nissan down to get some tires. Gonna see how she drives. First drive. Take you guys along with us, and we'll see what we run into. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I did go ahead and we did the brakes, and we did the struts and everything together, as you saw. I actually went ahead and threw the bumper and grill on. Didn't record it because pretty straightforward, and honestly I thought it might be boring and I was kind of in a rush, so just threw the bumper and fender on that I had. Nothing too crazy there, they were already off, so it was just finding some nuts and bolts and putting them back together. And as you can see, she's right there. So we got a few finishing touches, and then we're going to get on the road and head to the tire place and see how it drives. Guys, before we go, I thought I'd show you that, so we got it fitted. There's a little, we're gonna have to touch this up and do something, but it fits pretty good. These lines here are a little off, which there's not much I can do about it because this fender is kind of wonky, and I reused the old one, but not bad. The lines, for the most part, are really nice, especially on this side. I mean, everything's just perfect when I put the hood down, but the lines up top are perfect. Like, look at that. Probably be better to show you guys in the daylight, which we will, but I figured before we go, give you a quick look. And she is looking nice. Really nice. Okay, guys, we're ready to go here. Figure we give her a shot. Yeah, it's gonna be really hard to see, I know. There it is from front. Guys, it runs like a dream. So let's get in and see how it does. What's up, guys? No, you can't see me. There we go. So gonna take the car out to get some tires. First maiden voyage, so here we go. Let's see what happens. Alrighty. We have no lights. There we go. Alright, guys. Let's just see what happens. She's moving. We got brakes. Alright, we're going to drive like grandpa, guys. That's what we're gonna do. Just make sure she's running great. Sorry if we're bouncing around a little bit. I had a better way to put you guys up right now, but I'm currently just kind of holding it, so if it's a little wonky, I apologize. But so far, man, wow, running great. A little chilly outside. So yeah, guys, you can see there, I think 79,460. Turn signal works, that's good. Everything, just about everything works in this car. Alright. So we did brakes, strut, sway bar links, put the bumper and fender back on it, and she's a solid car, man. We don't have any other issues, as far as I can tell. I mean, it runs and drives great. I'm not going to set any records because I just want to get there safely. But yeah, so far I'm a little concerned with the back right tire. It's on its last legs. It loses about 10 psi every couple of days. So we're cruising along here at 40, doing just fine. Probably won't record the whole way because it'll probably be boring for you guys, but get a couple more minutes here just to make sure if anything interesting happens. But hopefully we can just drive and be fine. So far, so good. Got a quarter tank of gas. Came with about a half tank, which is kind of unusual for a Copart vehicle. Wow, stops on a dime. Those new brakes we put on, guys, man. And they weren't anything crazy, just to set off of eBay. But yeah, it is running great. We got heat. Actually, turn that down in case it's making noise. So far, I'm good. There isn't a light on the dash. Cool interior too. These Nissans, I'm not real familiar with them, but got kind of the red lights going. It's pretty cool. I like the car. No doubt about that. And the crazy thing is too, guys, this was hit in the right front passenger side, so, and the strut was completely demolished, but it drives straight as an arrow, which is unbelievable. You'd think that the tie rod ends would be completely gone, but and we're gonna get in alignment with the new tires anyway, but she drives straight. I can take my hands off and it just straight ahead. It's funny. Pretty awesome for sure. Alright guys, we made it. No issues here at the tire place. All is good. Yeah, that's a relief because that tire is really not so good. So we're gonna go ahead and check her in, and that'll be it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of this video. I just wanted to give an update of her driving. Does great, so we're gonna get the new tires on. We'll give an update after that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the material. Comment down below, and like or dislike. Let me know what you think. Thanks guys.